Summer is going away. It's still kind of warm, kind of in mid-fall, and I think it's still a good time to enjoy this traditional German style cucumber salad, also known as Gurkensalat. Let me know if I did pronounce that properly, but even if I didn't, it's gonna turn out really good. Check out all the ingredients down below and let's start prepping. Now you wanna cut your cucumbers nice and even and immensely thin. If you want, you can even slice them into ribbons. And cucumbers, as we all know, is really nice and cooling for yourself. That's why it's so popular in summer. And the reason why it's popular in German is because of its cooling properties and the traditional way that it's made. The combination of vinegar, sugar, sometimes onions with the yogurt and sour cream give it like a nice creamy, like almost like a palate cleanser. It's a little bit sweet. It's just perfect to enjoy with more savory style dishes, just like the Wiener Schnitzel. These cucumbers here have a bit too much water though, so let's take some of it out for this Gurkensalat. So I put them all, so I'm gonna coat it really well with salt. Don't worry, we're not gonna eat all that salt. Let the cucumbers just sit over the sink or over a bowl until you see some water dripping out or until they kind of look moist. The salt will help leach all that water out of the cucumbers. Then we're going to start preparing the actual dressing. So chop up some dill really fine. I'm using yogurt for it, and this is Balkan style yogurt, and I like it because it's just the creamiest variety and the tastiest one that I've had ever. Then add in a couple splashes of vinegar, a touch of sugar, I would say just shy of about a teaspoon, your chopped dill, and then a couple grindings of black pepper. We're not going to add salt because we added so much in the cucumber to really leach all that water out. So go ahead and give it a squeeze and get all the excess moisture out, and then rinse the cucumbers. You need to make sure to rinse the cucumbers really well to get any excess salt out of them, and then just add all the cucumbers into your bowl. And then what's left for you to do is to mix it all really well and give it all a taste at the end, and adjust for salt and pepper as needed. And make sure to chill it for at least 15 to 30 minutes to make sure it is chilled, it's refreshing, it's cooling, because that's what it's meant to do as a palate cleanser, as I said before. And if you love how this looks, you better not make it without having a type of schnitzel. Try my chicken schnitzel or my Wiener schnitzel. That's what you gotta do, and let me know how it goes. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.